On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection, or the Preservation of Favored Races in the Struggle for Life, published by Charles Darwin in 1859, is the foundational work of evolutionary biology. In it, Darwin introduced the scientific theory that populations evolve over the course of generations through a process of natural selection, presenting a body of evidence that the diversity of life arose by common descent from a few original forms or one common ancestor. Key concepts. Evolution by natural selection. Darwin argued that organisms with heritable traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. These advantageous traits then become more common in the population over successive generations, leading to gradual change in the species. Struggle for existence. Drawing on Thomas Malthus's ideas on population growth, Darwin observed that more offspring are produced than can possibly survive due to limited resources. This leads to a constant struggle for survival and reproduction. Descent with modification. The theory proposes that all life is related and has descended from a common ancestor. Over time, as species adapt to different environmental conditions, they accumulate modifications, leading to the vast diversity of life on Earth. Variation. Darwin emphasized that individuals within a population exhibit natural variations in their traits. This genetic diversity provides the raw material upon which natural selection acts. Geographical distribution. Darwin used observations from his voyage on the HMS Beagle, particularly from the Galapagos Islands, to explain how geographical isolation leads to the diversification of species as they adapt to specific local conditions. Impact and legacy. The publication of On the Origin of Species caused intense scientific, philosophical, and religious debate because it challenged the prevailing belief in special creation, which held that species were fixed and divinely appointed. Scientific revolution. Within 2 decades, the scientific community widely accepted evolution as a fact. Darwin's concept of natural selection became central to modern evolutionary theory during the 1930s and 1940s, providing a unifying framework for all life sciences, from genetics to ecology. Cultural influence. The book's impact extended far beyond biology.